Welcome to OFFEO's tutorial on how to create a video. Let's get started. Let's begin by choosing the canvas size you'd like over here. Or you can set a custom dimension. Next, choose a design template on the left panel. There are a ton of different designs you can choose from here. After finding your selected look, select the image on the canvas and replace the image. You can choose to replace the image with your own, or you can use our stock library images. There are a ton of beautiful and free images you can use for your project. Now change the text. When you are ready with your video, head over to Preview and export it out. When the export is complete, save it to your computer. Now it's your turn to create a beautifully designed video.